Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're all fine. So previously we discussed about the height and time of the projectile. And now we'll find out the range of the projectile. So what's range? It is a horizontal distance covered by the projectile. So in order to find the distance, we can use second and third equation of motion as it involves distance. So what is second equation of motion? S is equals to VIT plus half AT square. It will become x is equals to vixt plus half axt square. Why x? You know that range is the horizontal distance, not vertical distance. So we will not convert it into y. Okay? We will not convert this equation into y. Okay? So x is equals to vi cos of theta t plus half. What is ax? Ax is equals to 0. So this makes whole term 0. We are only left with x is equals to vi cos of theta and t. And what is t? T is the total time of the flight. If you don't know how to derive the equation for t, you can check my previous video on time of the flight. So we derive the expression for the time of the flight, which is equals to 2vi sine theta over g. Okay? Here vi multiply with vi would be equal to vi square and 2 sine theta and cos theta. This term looks familiar. If you know from your trigonometric class, we have studied a formula. We have studied a trigonometric identity. 2 sine theta cos theta is equals to sine 2 theta. So it will be converted into this, and the whole expression will be equal to x is equals to vi square sine 2 theta over g. That's it. That is the formula for range. Now come to the most important part of the whole video. What does the equation tells us? So in this equation, theta plays a really important role. When we throw the ball at 30 degrees, multiply it by 2 and it will become 60. And what sine of 60? Sine 60 is equals to under 3 over 2 or 0.866. We know that it is less than 1, okay? And at theta is equals to 45, you multiply it by 2 and it will become 90. And so the sine has a maximum value at 90. So sine 90 would be equal to 1. So we get a maximum range at 90 degrees. Now let's check it. Theta is equals to 60. You multiply it by 2 and it will become 120. And the sine 120 is the same as sine of 60. Sine 120 is equals to under root 3 by 2 or 0.866. Notice that at theta is equals to 30 and theta is equals to 60, we get the same range. In 60 degrees, the ball will gain extra height but end up at the same range as 30. And this concept is really useful when you launch a missile and want to know how far it will go, what is the range of that missile, and which cities it will affect. So the whole military thing is based on physics. So learn physics and defend your country. Allah Hafiz.